Alright, here's the boiler, Forrest. I'm going to get it going now, and pop-off valve might go off here. Show you a few things about it. First of all, the very most important first thing you do is at least halfway up with water. Put water in it is the very first thing you always do. Just connect a hose to it here in the back and quick disconnect. And then build a fire and let it warm up. Takes about an hour, half an hour during the summer. And there's a blower valve right here. Probably hear it. It's got steam, of course, now. And you can run that once in a while. And of course, the ash pan is right down here. And draft door. You don't really need it much. I use it once in a while. Oh, it's up. I think the pop-off valve goes off on this one at 80 or 90 pounds. And I've got a little bucket of water here that I use just for testing. And there's a bleeder valve here for airlock. A little bit of steam will come out of that. It's got a check valve right here. And once you get water coming through it solidly, then there's no air. If you got air in it, in the pump, it won't prime. So what I do is just take a hose and put a little water in the end of it and pump it. Sometimes put a connector inside the hose and put a little pressure on the check valve right here, and that gets water through it. And then it'll pump fine. Whistle works good. Engine out is right here. It's 1/2 inch. And pop-off valve. This one's set at 100, but I think it goes off at 90. So we'll see here. Well, these are the tricocks. They just tell you how much water's in the boiler if your sight glass isn't working. And that's about it. It's coming up to steam here, and just testing it one more time before I actually, get it ready to get on a pallet today. And packing needs to be tightened there. I'll tighten that up a little bit. There's packing in all these valves. So that's normal. That's about it.